in reality, you don't have to do things. You get to do things, and giving these kids the opportunity to get to do different things is powerful. And even like and trying to get them not to do the things that are their instinct is challenging.
Right.
Like I remember
Yeah.
when I used to teach yoga karate up at a school in North Jersey, I would have 15 kids. I'd say, "Okay, everybody, clean up and let's everybody go line up once you get your stamp." And these two kids would run right to the front. Now, I always had a teacher that was with me. She had the tadpole iPad, taking pictures and videos, whatever, sending it to the parents, and it was happening. And she would tell them, "Stop running." And I'm like, "Hold on a second." And I would remind them, it's like, when they're in the gym, this is my class. And then when they go outside, they're yours or whatever it is. It's like, so, and I told her, it's like afterwards, because she's like, "Well, why do you still let the kids run to the front?" I'm like, "Because I want there to be kids that run to the front. I want there to be kids that don't just walk slowly, and they don't conform, and they just want to be first, like Ricky Bobby. If you're first, you're last." And then I tell her, and then think about it at the end, because we're talking about an impulse control, but then the final result at the end of it, they're holding the door. All the other kids are walking. So in the end, are they first or are they last? They're last in the back, but it doesn't matter because they got to be first. And also, we're in a gym, so they're allowed to run. So I mean, if they both book for it, I'm not too upset about it.